Hey, foodies and gadget lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm bringing you a curated list of the newest and coolest kitchen gadgets on Amazon that everyone's talking about. These aren't just any tools, they're the game changers that'll make things easier, faster, and a lot more fun in the kitchen. Let's get started with the first kitchen gadget, the Prep Deck Gen 2 Recipe Prep and Storage Station. This deluxe kit is all about capacity and convenience. It includes a seamless cutting board with stronger magnets, 8 essential prepping tools, and an array of durable food-safe containers. It features a color-matched, non-slip silicone foot trim for added stability, keeping your food prep peaceful and organized. The enhanced design simplifies your prep routine with 8 tools and 5 container sizes to keep everything within reach. Next, we have the ATB Kit Electric Cheese Grater. Powered by a robust 250-watt motor, this grater allows you to quickly slice, chop, grate, or shred your favorite ingredients and even create bread and cracker crumbs in seconds. This electric cheese grater includes 6 interchangeable stainless steel blades to suit a variety of needs. A thick wire blade, thin wire blade, slice blade, wavy blade, grinding blade, and an upgraded extra coarse julienne slicing blade, perfect for cutting potatoes into fries for delicious homemade French fries. Next, we have the Shazera Charcuterie Boards gift set. The set comes equipped with 2 serving bowls for dips or sauces and a matching knife set, making it easy to assemble the ultimate cheese board. It's guaranteed to impress and be cherished by everyone on your list. Crafted entirely from premium bamboo, the Shazera Charcuterie Board is as durable as it is elegant. Its smooth, non-porous surface resists stains, odors, and liquids, ensuring long-lasting quality and easy cleaning. Next, we have the Koeos Immersion Blender. It's perfect for preparing smoothies, shakes, soups, purees, or baby food, making it a versatile kitchen helper that simplifies food preparation. The comfortable grip and flexible speed settings ensure seamless operation for all your blending needs. This multifunctional 5-in-1 immersion blender comes with a variety of attachments, including a blender, frother, whisk, beaker, and a chopper with a removable blade. Its food-grade nylon blade guard prevents scratches on your pots and pans, keeping them in perfect condition. The 5th gadget on the list is the GoMehi Pull-Out Pots and Pans Organizer. Designed for cabinets without frames and suitable for lightweight pans ranging from 6 to 12 inches, this organizer has a maximum load-bearing capacity of 55 pounds. Equipped with versatile and adjustable dividers, this organizer includes 2 sets, each with 8 dividers, allowing you to customize the space for lids, pans, cutting boards, baking sheets, and more. Removing the dividers converts it into a standard slide-out cabinet organizer. Next, we have the Funistry All-Purpose Poultry Shears. The razor-sharp blades of the shears, enhanced with a serrated cutting edge, make it easy to cut through chicken bones, turkey, and various meats with minimal effort. The detachable design allows the scissors to transform into a small knife, perfect for slicing fruits. A built-in peeler simplifies fruit preparation, while the integrated bottle opener and shell opener add convenience. The shears feature an ergonomic handle and safety switch for effortless and safe operation. Next, we have the Prep Deck Chef Caddy Spice Rack Seasoning and Oil Organizer. The set includes 3 caddies, 12 3-ounce spice jars, 2 12-ounce glass oil dispensers, a set of pre-printed spice labels, and blank labels for customization. The Chef Caddy allows you to store all your spices and oils in one accessible spot, ensuring your drawers stay tidy and your kitchen counter remains uncluttered. It's the perfect way to streamline your cooking essentials while adding a touch of organization to your kitchen. Next, we have the Mice Bay Condiment Squeeze Bottles for sauces. These mini squeeze bottles are perfect for holding barbecue sauce, oil, ketchup, mustard, hot sauce, and more. Each bottle features a leak-proof twist-on cap, ensuring a mess-free experience. Crafted from food-grade silicone, the bottles are soft and easy to squeeze, while their wide mouth and steady base make filling simple and mess-free. A built-in measurement scale helps with portion control, adding even more convenience to your meal prep routine. Next, we have the Michelangelo Non-Stick Ceramic Roasting Pan. The pan comes with a stainless steel rack that elevates meats and vegetables for optimal roasting. This not only enhances airflow, but also ensures better browning and even cooking, resulting in perfectly prepared dishes. Crafted with a non-stick ceramic coating, this pan is free from PFOA and PFOS, ensuring healthy and toxin-free cooking. You can prepare meals with confidence, knowing that no harmful substances will be released during cooking, offering peace of mind for you and your loved ones. At number 10, we have the snow-clad saucepan with lid. Constructed with durable tri-ply stainless steel, this saucepan is built to last, offering top-grade performance for all your cooking needs. Its non-toxic surface ensures a safe and healthy cooking experience. Compatible with all stovetops, including gas, electric, glass, and halogen, this versatile pan is perfect for a variety of dishes, from soups to sauces and beyond. Easily transition from stovetop to oven, thanks to its flawless heat distribution and retention. Next, we have the Roll Kitchen Salad Spinner. Whether you're preparing lettuce, spinach, or other fresh vegetables, this spinner ensures your salad ingredients are ready to serve in no time. Plus, this versatile tool isn't limited to just salads. It's great for washing and drying various fruits, vegetables, and herbs. With its generous 4.8 quarts capacity, this large salad spinner allows you to prepare enough salad for the whole family in one batch, eliminating the need for multiple rounds. The removable components make it easy to disassemble and clean, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Next, we have the Baked Bin Corner Bread Box. It allows you to store different types of bread separately, keeping flavors from mingling. This unique design provides ample room for bread of all shapes and sizes, ensuring your loaves fit comfortably without being squashed. Designed to be airtight, this bread box locks in freshness while preventing moisture, which is key for maintaining the quality of your bread. It's the perfect option if you want to keep your sandwich bread and other baked goods fresh without them turning stale too quickly. Next, we have the Merior electric composter. With one-touch composting, it makes the process effortless. Simply push a button to start, and you can choose between standard or fast composting modes. In just 4 to 6 hours, you'll have dry compost ready for use, making it a quick and efficient way to recycle food waste. One of its standout features is the odor-free operation, thanks to a built-in odor filter that utilizes activated carbon to absorb smells produced during the composting process. The filter can be easily replaced when necessary, ensuring that your kitchen remains fresh while you compost. Next, we have the G-Vode manual pasta maker machine. This 3-in-1 pasta machine includes a pasta roller, spaghetti cutter, and fettuccine cutter, allowing you to complete all 3 pasta making steps at once without needing to switch between attachments. With 7 adjustable thickness settings ranging from 0.4 to 2 millimeters, you can easily customize the texture and flavor of your pasta. Whether you're making spaghetti, fettuccine, or ravioli, the built-in pasta sheet roller and cutters deliver consistent results, offering a seamless pasta-making experience. At number 15, we have the Zule Kitchen Large Potato Ricer. Its large 15-aughts deep basket can hold a generous amount of potatoes, making it ideal for preparing mashed potatoes for large gatherings, special occasions, or holiday feasts like Thanksgiving and Christmas. With a soft, non-slip silicone handle, this potato ricer is built for comfort and ease, allowing you to squeeze with minimal effort and without straining your wrist. Cleaning is a breeze too. Just pop it into the dishwasher or rinse it under water to remove any residue. Next, we have the Crafted Containers Deviled Egg Carrier. It ensures your deviled eggs remain safe and pristine during transport, thanks to its clever design, featuring 22 deep slots and a secure snap-on lid. No more worrying about squashed, messy eggs. This carrier keeps them in perfect shape, letting your hard work shine. Made from food-grade, BPA-free plastic, this 12-inch deviled egg carrier is built to last, protecting your eggs from external damage while resisting cracks, stains, and odors. Next, we have the Hervimo Stanley Cup Organizer. This multi-purpose organizer is perfect for holding up to 6 water bottles, including Stanley Cups, as well as other popular brands like Yeti, Owala, and Thermos, with a diameter of up to 3.3 inches. Its rotatable design allows you to use it either in a cabinet or on the kitchen countertop, making it easy to access your favorite cups while optimizing space. The compact swivel feature ensures that the organizer takes up minimal countertop space while providing convenient and tidy storage. Next, we have the ThermoMaven Wireless Meat Thermometer. It is a high-tech solution for precise cooking, offering a smart display base that provides real-time temperature readings and allows direct temperature adjustments without the need for an app. With reliable sub-1G connectivity, the thermometer offers long-range monitoring, up to 3,000 feet in open spaces and 700 feet with obstructions, so you can easily track your food's progress from a distance, whether you're grilling or socializing. Next, we have the HiCozy 10-in-1 air fryer. With a 6 quarts capacity, it's ideal for feeding the whole family. You can easily cook large portions, like 4 pounds of fries, 5 pounds of chicken wings, or 2 pounds of steaks, making it perfect for everyday meals or gatherings. The air fryer also offers 10 preset cooking modes, including fries, steak, chicken, seafood, and more, to meet every culinary need. Despite its power, it operates quietly at less than 50 dB, allowing for a peaceful cooking experience without disruptive noise. The 20th gadget we have is the Palacate Egg Piercer. It works by piercing a small hole in the large end of the egg before boiling, which helps prevent the shell from cracking during cooking and makes peeling much easier afterwards. To use, simply press the large end of the egg onto the piercing needle, and a click sound will confirm a successful pierce. While the design is solid and the metal is powder-coated for both durability and visual appeal, there are no silicone feet to prevent the two halves from clanking together. Next, we have the Full-Wheel Electric Pressure Cooker. It features 12 customizable presets, such as pressure cook, slow cook, poultry, soup, cake, sauté, rice, and more, offering convenience and flexibility for a wide range of dishes with just the touch of a button. Health-conscious users will appreciate the PFOA-free inner pot, which is non-stick for easy cooking and cleaning without harmful chemicals. The fingerprint-resistant stainless steel housing and dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories make cleanup a breeze. Next, we have the Oxydrilly 2-liter stainless steel oil filter pot. It features a removable fine mesh filter that separates food from grease, capturing fine particles and debris in the oil. This process helps reduce oil consumption while keeping your cooking oil clean and reusable. It's odorless and safe to use, making it suitable for all types of cookers. With a 68-ounce capacity, it offers ample space for filtering cooking oil residue, and it can also serve as a storage container for other liquids or as a fryer bucket for food preparation. Next, we have the Toomiest Cold Press Juicer. Featuring a 5.3-inch feed chute, it allows you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without the need for chopping, saving you time and effort. This larger chute helps you juice more at once, making it a convenient option for busy mornings. The juicer also utilizes slow-speed cold press technology at only 43 RPM, mimicking the action of hand squeezing. This method preserves the natural state of your juice, retaining more vitamins, nutrients, and freshness for a richer, more satisfying experience. Next, we have the iPovbo Vegetable Chopper. Equipped with 8 versatile blades, this chopper includes 2 different-sized chopper blades and 6 interchangeable blades for slicing, julienning, grating, and shredding. The chopper also features a 3x leverage mechanism, which applies 3 times the pressure, making it easier and more labor-saving to dice vegetables, even the toughest ones. To ensure your safety, it comes with the latest safety handguards, designed to completely cover smaller food items. The last 25th gadget on the list is the Finamill Ultimate Spice Grinder Set. This innovative system allows you to grind a variety of whole spices, from tiny poppy seeds to large peppercorns, ensuring a high-quality grind with minimal effort. You can easily swap and grind spices by pressing the mill down onto a spice pod, which clicks securely in place or releases with a simple press. The adjustable coarseness feature, controlled by a knob at the bottom, lets you personalize your seasoning to suit your taste preferences, from fine to coarse grinds. And there you have it, the ultimate list of Amazon kitchen gadgets everyone is buzzing about. If you had fun exploring these with me, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more must-have Amazon finds. Links to everything are waiting for you in the description. Until next time, stay creative in the kitchen. Thanks for watching.